not making the income you thought you'll be making straight out of high school or college, I'll be sharing 7 tips I wish I knew when I first started that'll help you put extra funds in your pockets as you pursue your career. Stay tuned. What's up, young people? I have a video for you today. This is for my high school or college graduates not quite making the income you envision upon graduating. After 4 years of college, receiving my degree in accounting, I really thought I would land a $50,000 plus job straight out of college. Of course, that's what they tell you, right? Go to school so you can land a higher paying job. Well, when I first graduated, I did an internship making a whopping $14 an hour. This is not what I had in mind. Any of you have a similar story? But I was able to get my own place, prioritize and pay all my bills, and did not need assistance from my parents. Here are 7 tips that could be helpful to put extra funds in your pocket as you enter the workforce. Tip number 1, get enrolled in an HSA. The health savings account is a personal savings account that can be used for health care costs and can be used as an additional retirement account and is pre-tax. Health is a huge expense in retirement that a lot of people don't account for. And if you don't have health care covered, this could eat into your other retirement accounts, ultimately causing the retiree to get back into the workforce. This is where you can use it to your advantage while you're young and in great health. You can choose a less expensive high deductible plan and contribute to your HSA account. You get 3 positives here. Because you are choosing a less expensive health plan, you're putting more money into your pockets each paycheck. You're contributing to your future and building a nest for retirement. It accumulates over the years and it moves with you even if you leave the company. You put in a small amount each paycheck and your employer, depending on the size of the company, will put in a much larger amount. Number 2, stop 401k contributions. So you're probably hearing a lot right now as far as investing and building up for your retirement. But your number 1 priority right now is to free up as much money as you can and to pay off as much debt as you can. One of the ways that you can do that is by stopping your 401k contribution. 401k is something that can be caught up later on. Right now, you will want to stop that contribution because every penny counts. By stopping your contribution, this will put more money into your paycheck and help you to avoid living paycheck to paycheck and to pay off your debt quicker. Once you are in a better position, we can restart that contribution and then you can put in as much as you need to get it back caught up. But we're gonna stop it right now because you need every penny. Number 3, adjusting your tax exempts. Now this is regarding filling out your W-4s with your employer. Now I can't tell you what withholdings and exempts to put down because it's different for every person and this is not a one-size-fit-all type of thing. But I can tell you how it works. Now every paycheck, there are taxes that have been taken out that's been sent to the IRS. Every tax season, February to April, the IRS will let you know if you have overpaid or underpaid in taxes. If you have overpaid, you are then to fill out taxes and you're just gonna get a refund of the amount that you overpaid. If you underpaid, then you will fill out your taxes and they will let you know how much you need to pay in addition for that tax year. So the way that you will want this to work, you will want to try to break even on your taxes. The best thing is if you owe nothing and you get back nothing. This is where you'll be able to maximize your earnings because you'll be able to get your full salary throughout the course of the year versus getting a lump sum of money at one time when you could have been using those funds throughout the year, whether it's to pay off things or simply help you to avoid living paycheck to paycheck or just missing out on money. Number 4, create a budget. Creating a budget is a great way of just being organized. As you start to make money, you will need to track your income and your expenses and know everything that's going on at all times. We have seen people craft out hundreds, even thousands of dollars from their budget. I'll leave a link to this video so you can see just how powerful a budget is. Number 5, using a high yielding savings account. This one is simple and straightforward. There is either a traditional savings account or a high yielding savings account. In a traditional savings account, you're gonna get a rate of 0.01. Right now, in a high yielding savings account, you're gonna get anything from 4 to 6%. So you can make roughly a couple cents a month in a traditional savings account, or you can make hundreds, if not even thousands, in a high yielding savings account. Number 6, use credit cards. Credit cards have evolved over the years and now have great benefits and can be a very powerful tool, either to help you or it can hurt you. I have a video, I'll leave the link in the description below, and you can go check this out, and where I just go over everything and how much we have been able to generate just by simply using a credit card. Really, credit cards should be your primary method of payments these days. They have cashback programs that can get you hundreds, even thousands of dollars per year. So that is a simple way to put extra money into your pockets. Number 7, extra work and learning. Right now, you are in a great position. You're young, full of energy, great health. You don't have a spouse. You don't have kids right now. And so this is where you can just explore the workforce world and just see what you're really into. Now, I know you maybe graduated from college with a degree in a certain area, but you might get into the workforce and realize that's not really what I want to do. This is an opportunity for you to get out and really explore, and you might find something that you really enjoy doing and you want to take that path. And also, with your extra time, you can pick up additional side jobs, and this will easily put more money into your pockets. With the additional exploring, this is a great opportunity just for you to learn. Expand your mind while you're a young sponge. You're smart and you have the wits to consume a lot of information right now. Use this to your advantage so you can expand in many different areas. Whatever you do, do it in honoring God. With these 7 tips, this should save you thousands down the road and put you in a great position for financial freedom. Please subscribe if you haven't already for more great content, and I'll see you in the next one.